So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to trade these patterns from beginning to end in 2 minutes. To prove that, after the intro, we're going to start a clock on the screen. If you can kindly give me 2 minutes in exchange, I'll give you the core concept of these patterns if you were looking at starting to utilize them today. And after that is done, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into things that you should know regarding pattern trading, which is why this video, if you've noticed, is longer than 2 minutes. So let's roll the intro.
Yeah. Future stocks and crypto. The pattern suite will help you track all those. Look at me, I'm starting to work smart now. Minimize risk, I got this on lockdown. How you do it? XABCD. Where you been? XABCD. Candlesticks.
Okay, start the clock and go. Each pattern is made up of 4 leg segments with 5 pattern points that are identified going from left to right as X to start the pattern, A, B, C, D. The D point, which is the furthest to the right, is going to identify the direction that you trade. If the D point is low compared to the other points of the pattern, then you will be buying and going long. And if the D point is up high, then the trade that you will be taking is going to be short. It's a misconception to think that these are reversal type patterns because they can be played in bigger channels that are trading with the trend. The faint square here is going to mark in the top and bottom of that reversal area, and the green, yellow, and red zones are going to explain how much time you have to take that particular trade before your odds start diminishing. So anywhere inside is valid for the entry. As for your stop, well, if you're expecting price to reverse anywhere in here, then you can put a stop anywhere outside of that zone. As for a target, your first target that you can use is your B point if you want to keep things even more simple. So now you should know your entries, stops, and targets for trading XABCD patterns. Okay, come on, that was like 1 minute and 7 seconds. I mean, you can write that stuff down on a napkin. So listen to it a few times if you need, but it's not a difficult concept to understand. But now let's be honest about a few things. Although we provide you the software that discovers these patterns automatically and the alerts that go along with them, and even helps you filter them down, we also offer all the education which goes in more depth than this because there's still a lot that needs to be refined, okay? From your entries through different methods in narrowing down stops and targets. You'll probably want to know what patterns you might weight more than others, if some patterns are suited in different situations better than others, and how to tell when you might want to ignore a certain pattern, what time frame they might be best on, or how long certain patterns can take on average to work out. What happens if you have a big gap in the pattern, or how do you reduce your risk to break even while managing the trade? See, there is more to know, and depending on where you are with your trading, you can always start basic and work your way up, trying to hone every possible angle of your trading to suck the most out of the market that you possibly can. But just because there's more to know, that doesn't make it hard or difficult. Just like the 1 minute and 7 seconds we just covered, it just needs to be explained to you in a way that's easy to follow. So whack that thumbs up button if you found just one thing here helpful, and don't forget to download our ATM pack if you want to automate some of the trade management that will go along with your trades, either with our XABCD patterns or something that you're currently doing now. We'll see you guys in the next video.